Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the highest quality file and immediately duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Use Camera Raw or Camera Raw filter. Set the correct color profile and 16-bit when possible. Start with exposure and white balance. These two define the overall tonal and color foundation. Adjust highlights, shadows, and contrast to recover data. Once done, make subtle clarity or texture changes. These refine midtones and detail, so subsequent color work behaves predictably and cleanly. Now you move into precise color shaping. Add a curves adjustment layer and anchor your blacks and whites, then sculpt an S-curve to set contrast while preserving midtones. Switch to individual RGB channels to correct color casts. Small moves matter. Use hue/saturation and selective color on masks for targeted adjustments. Keep shifts within 10 to 25% to avoid posterization. Once you've balanced hues, use Camera Raw HSL or color grading to tweak shadows, midtones, and highlights so skin tones and key colors read naturally. Finish by checking the image at 100% for noise, banding, or clipping. Make subtle local dodging and burning to guide the eye. Use soft masks and layer blend modes, color for hue fixes, luminosity for tonal changes, to keep edges clean. If final colors feel off, add a global curves or Camera Raw calibration tweak. It corrects system-wide biases. Troubleshooting tip: when you see banding or weird shifts, reduce adjustment strength. Switch to 16-bit, or add tiny amount of uniform noise to hide posterization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.